make an awesome button in Scratch. So let's get started. So you want to delete the Scratch cat. And now you want to click on Paint. And now we are going to add 2 costumes. So we're going to add a costume with a purple rectangle and some white text like this. I will just do click me with an exclamation mark. Now you want to go there and probably just make it a bit bigger. And then go like that, yeah. And make sure that you want them both centered in the center. So let me just drag this and that so that they're both in the center. Now we'll name this not hovered. Not hovered. And now we will right click on this costume or maybe control click on a Mac. And you want to choose the duplicate option. And now you want to swap the colors around. So make sure that you fill your text purple. So to do that, you use the fill tool. Now you just make your text purple. And now you want to make the actual button rectangle white. And now, again, use the selection tool and make sure they're both in the center. So I will just drag them again, just to make sure they're perfect. And now we are going to code it. So when we've left clicked, we want to go to X0. 0, Y0. Which will put it in the center. And now we want to put a forever loop and then an if-else statement. And now if we are touching the mouse pointer, let me just full screen over that. If we are touching the mouse pointer, then we want to change our size. Change size by, and then in this, we put, and then we will put a divide block inside that. And inside the divide block, we will put a minus block. And here we will put something like 120 minus size. So we'll put size and divided by 3. And now we will want to put this in our change size by. And we will also actually go back to, we will delete that too. We will delete the not that's hovered. And then we switch costume to hovered. Else, we switch costume to not hovered. And we also have to change the size by, and you could just duplicate this thing. But instead of 120, we put 100. And if I click the green flag, you'll see we got this purple with white text button. I hover over it. It gets bigger, and also the text changes. But there's no use to this button. When we click on it, nothing happens. Here's what we're going to do. If we are touching the mouse pointer, touching mouse pointer, mouse pointer, and mouse down, and then we are going to wait until we are not mouse down, and then we put a say hello, and then we can say whatever we want, or we could also speak. You could really do whatever you want if you'd like. Not make you text to speech. And you could do whatever you want after the wait until not mouse down. I will just make it speak. I am a button. Now I'm going to full screen this to show you what happens. So our button's in the center. I hover over it. It does that, and I can't hold it, but
I am a button.
And I
am a button.
click on it.
I am a button.
And you could also change the voice of it if you'd like by using the set voice too. I will not use alto. I will instead use tenor. So I hover over it. I click on it.
I am a button.
That's what it does.
I am a button.
And the nice hover effect. So that is all for this video. Hope you like it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon on top right corner. Bye!